Nobody likes filling in forms, so True Traveller makes claiming on your insurance straightforward. For medical expense claims, just follow these simple steps. Not feeling well? Go to a pharmacist or walk-in clinic. If it's likely to cost less than £500, you can claim online. Could be more than £500? Just contact AXA Assistance to get authorization on +44 20 7985 7446. Something more serious or a medical emergency? Go to hospital and call to get your treatment approved. The assistance lines are open 24/7 and bills are paid direct to the hospital. Simple. In Nepal and need a helicopter rescue? Just call the emergency number on your certificate or email nepal@truetraveller.com for emergency assistance and approval. And we don't just cover medical expenses. You can also opt to include baggage and documents. So if you've lost your passport or been robbed, you are covered. Go to truetraveller.com/claims and log into your MyTT account to submit your claim. Your claim will be handled by True Traveller's own team, and we normally get the money into your bank within 10 working days or sometimes even quicker. Visit truetraveller.com to see how our policy could work for you.